Meme coins capture the imagination like few other assets in the digital age. They explode into the collective consciousness, fueled by viral social media trends, celebrity endorsements, the intoxicating promise of life-altering wealth seemingly overnight. These digital tokens, often born from internet jokes, cultural moments, create a powerful narrative of community and rebellion against traditional finance. The stories of early investors turning a few $100s into a fortune are compelling, drawing in a new wave of participants eager to catch the next rocket to the moon. This allure is potent, creating a powerful fear of missing out that can override caution and rational analysis, pulling people into a highly speculative and volatile corner of the cryptocurrency market. However, beneath the surface lies a landscape fraught with immense risk. The very mechanisms that allow for meteoric rises also pave the way for catastrophic falls. To understand why meme coins crash so spectacularly, we must first understand their fundamental structure. First, most of these tokens have no intrinsic utility. Unlike crypto like Ethereum, which powers applications, meme coins exist solely as tradable assets. Their value isn't tied to a product or service. It reflects market sentiment and social media hype. It's a bet on continued popularity, a foundation on shifting sands. Second, distribution is often highly concentrated. With new coins, founders and early wallets can hold over 50%. This concentration creates a precarious power dynamic. Whales can crash the market by dumping their holdings, sparking panic selling that accelerates the collapse. Third, their ascent is driven by manufactured hype and slogans like diamond hands and HODL, creating a momentum loop until it breaks. Finally, technical foundations can be opaque or weak. Many meme coins launch on Ethereum or Solana. Token contracts can be created in minutes. Some contracts hide malicious functions, freeze trading, prevent certain holders from selling. A honeypot, mint infinite tokens, diluting everyone else. Not all meme coins are scams, but low barriers and little oversight invite bad actors. The speed at which these cycles play out is accelerating, In today's hyper-connected world, a meme coin can go from obscurity to multi-billion valuation and back to near zero in weeks or even days. This volatility is not a bug, it is often a feature. Lacking real-world use or a sustainable business model, value depends on belief and continuous new investment. A meme coin crash is a stark and rapid event, transforming fervent optimism into widespread panic in an astonishingly short period. The first visible sign is a dramatic reversal on the price chart. Steep green candles are replaced by long, aggressive red candles. A 2024 style chart might show 5,000% up, then 90% down in under 48 hours. Drops slice through support. Sellers take control. Simultaneously, on-chain data reveals a frantic exodus. Tokens flow to decentralized exchanges, Uniswap, Radium, to swap for stablecoins or majors. Data confirms a widespread loss of confidence. Community sentiment flips. Fear and anger flood channels. Liquidity evaporates. Slippage worsens. Each sale hits price harder than the last. Eventually, selling meaningful size gets difficult, trapping remaining holders with near-worthless assets. When a meme coin collapses, the financial devastation is not distributed equally. The group most consistently and severely wrecked are late-stage retail investors. Ordinary people, often new to crypto, drawn in by sensational stories and intense social media hype, buy during the final frenzied phase, near the all-time high. Lacking cycle knowledge and risk management, they invest emotionally, convinced a windfall is imminent, until the reversal hits. Hope for a quick rebound gives way to panic. Many capitulate at massive losses, exit liquidity for smarter players. Founders and whales, holding near zero-cost tokens, offload into retail demand before the break. On-chain often traces crashes to dev or insider wallets, beginning systematic sell-offs. Long-term consequences can be devastating: housing deposits, tuition, retirement, all impaired. The dream turns into a harsh lesson about unchecked speculation. While the most acute pain is personal, ripples spread across the ecosystem. High-profile crashes damage sentiment and deter cautious capital, even beyond the token involved. Headlines reinforce the lawless casino narrative. Each collapse becomes a data point for stricter enforcement and rule-making. They showcase manipulation, investor harm, and missing disclosures standard in securities markets. Regulatory push can raise burdens for all projects, even legitimate ones. Ghost tokens persist on-chain as a permanent public record of folly. Promoters face lasting reputational scars, histories scrutinized. Crashes also cleanse, scams washed out, weakest projects disappear, funds rotate to quality. Survivors gain sober respect for risk, due diligence and fundamentals. Each crash matures the market with hard-won lessons. Protecting yourself isn't about calling tops or bottoms, it's rigorous discipline and data. First, do thorough due diligence beyond social media. Inspect token distribution. Do a few wallets hold too much? Is liquidity locked? Is the contract renounced? These public signals are fundamental risk indicators. Second, practice stringent risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Keep meme coins a small single-digit slice. Establish a plan before you buy. Set profit targets and stop losses to systematize decisions. Checklist. Check wallets, set stop loss, diversify, verify source. Third, be your own analyst. Watch whale moves and hold accounts. React to blockchain signals, not social noise. Educate yourself. The data is transparent and immutable. Verify before you click buy. Stay informed, stay skeptical, and prioritize preserving capital.